Introducing the Alvantor Screenhouse. The pop-up lightweight screenhouse offering a cool, bug-free experience no matter what the occasion. The Alvantor Screenhouse pops up in minutes with minimal effort and no assembly. This design is innovative, patented, lightweight, and it can be easily carried by one person wherever you may need it, and fits in any car trunk. The UV-coated top supplies sun protection. The mesh wall has ample ventilation, blocks heat and bugs. It's excellent for views of outdoors at the same time. You can use the Alvantor Screenhouse in a garden, park, backyard, camping trips, parties, picnics, or afternoon tea time. The Alvantor Screenhouse comes in 3 sizes: 10 by 10 feet with a height of 7 feet, fitting 4 to 6 people; 12 by 12 feet with a height of 7.5 feet, fitting 8 to 10 people; and 15 by 15 feet with a height of 8.5 feet, fitting 12 to 15 people. Every screenhouse comes with a strong box. When you open the security strap, read the warning label carefully. Sandbags, guy lines, and metal stakes provide extra stability in windy conditions. Sandbags can be filled with bricks, stones, or any other weights. If set up on the deck, you may tie the guy line to any weighted object or surface place which can hold the rope. Each screenhouse also comes with jacket hooks for your coat, bag, or anything you want to hang up. You can also purchase a sunshade 3-pack to keep cool on hot days, and a tarp floor to keep bugs out and keep the screenhouse interior clean.
Hey guys, alright, let's go ahead and do a quick review and setup today of this pop-up tent with bug screens. This is from Alvantor. We're going to open it up and show you how it works. Let's get going. Alright guys, this tent comes in a nice carry bag. This has the instructions printed right inside, so we're never going to lose the instructions attached to the bag. We will go ahead and set it up. It should be really gosh darn simple. This is the tent here. And here are our extra stakes and pieces and parts. We have a handful of sandbags. We can fill these and put these around the stakes to keep the tent down on the ground when we're in windy weather. These are our stakes, and it comes with a little repair patch in case you have to make a repair. Super helpful. All right, so this is our strap. We're simply going to lay the tent out. It unfolds on its own. And that's it, you guys. Setup took 30 seconds. Literally, that's it. Nothing to it. Full pop-up, ready to go. Just kind of get our legs stretched out here, and then we'll go ahead and attach all of our ground stakes and guide wires. We'll show you this tent real quick. Let's take a look at the inside. All right, guys, as you can see, we are fully bug screened. We have a nice zippered door. Let's head inside. We'll show you the inside and the headroom. Here we are. I'm 6 feet tall, you guys, and I fit in here without any trouble at all. See? Plenty of headroom. Perfect. We can zip our door all the way down, and we are fully protected from bugs. And on a summer day like today here in Texas, that is huge because we have tons of mosquitoes, but this will keep all of our bugs out, but we can get plenty of air to pass through because this is a nice fine mesh. You can see how fine that mesh is here. There you go. That's going to keep all kinds of bugs out. This would be great for camping, for sporting events, even for the backyard. We're going to love this tent. You guys are going to love it too. 2 thumbs up.